What do you do when you want to start making money online? What most people do is that they open their browser and they start searching for things like how to make money for free, how to make money online fast, how to make easy ways to make money online and stuff like that. And once they search those things, they open up a page on Google. They just choose any of the pages and open it, and they scroll down. They start seeing things like matched betting, like online surveys, like how to make money by searching the web, how to make money by online trading, how to make money by reviews and starting your own shops, the Disney vaults, get paid to do this and get paid to do that, and the rest of them. And that is one of the wrongest ways to start making money online, because these ideas may work for a lot of people outside your own area, but they may not work for you, because these ways of making money you find online can become a total waste of your time. And if you're not careful, you can even lose both your money and your time in all those stuff.
So, today, guys, we'll be talking about 7 hot businesses you can start right now with little or no capital. Let's jump right in. The first business we'll be talking about today is online course creation. Now, a lot of times, out of experiences we have had in life, or places we've worked, or the courses we studied in school, or any other thing that has happened in our life, or the talents we have, there is something we know that others want to learn, something that we know that can help other people's life. So, if you have a skill that can help someone's life, no matter how funny it sounds like, whether you know how to put babies to sleep, whether you know you are a plumber, whether you know how to train dogs, you know how to make designs, you know how to do anything that people have been things you've been doing for people, maybe for free, or things that people have been coming to you to teach them. You can as well create a course about that stuff and sell it to people who want to learn about it. So the first thing, the first way to start a business with little or no money is to create an online course. The second thing we are going to be talking about today is affiliate marketing. Well, when we talk about affiliate marketing, people don't understand it, and some other people think that affiliate marketing has to do with network marketing or multi-level marketing. Well, affiliate marketing has to do with recommending products to other people who will need them. So if you used a product, maybe you've been struggling with losing weight, and finally you found one product that helped you lose weight, you can recommend it to your friends or to other people online. And if they buy through your affiliate link, you make a commission. And that is as simple as that. And one thing good with affiliate marketing is that it's not like retail where you have to buy a product first with your own money, then add your own profit to sell. No, you simply share your experience. Oh, see, I used this product and it was awesome. I lost 20 kg in 2 weeks. And people that have been looking to lose weight will say, oh, if this product helped this person, this product can also help me. So let me go and try it out. They will click on your link, and if they check out that product and they like it, once they buy through your link, you make your commission. So you don't have to do anything else about it. You just have to recommend this product or share a good product, an awesome product you've discovered with other people you know who need that product. So that's it for affiliate marketing. The next thing we're going to be talking about is Kindle publishing. Well, if you enjoy writing, whether it's fiction, storybooks, novels, or other kinds of books, history books, textbooks, workbooks, even coloring books, puzzle books, word search books, uh, trend books, summaries. If you enjoy writing and you want to publish, you want to make money by publishing things that other people will buy to read or to use in the classroom or to use to keep themselves busy, then Kindle publishing may be a good way to start. So if you want to do that, you just go to Amazon and sign up for Amazon Kindle Publishing. You can just search it online, Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle Publishing, and you take it right to that place. You sign up and fill your details, and then you start creating books or journals, diaries, notebooks, coloring books, puzzle books, word search books, any. Just look through the look through the types of books other people are creating, and then find where you fit in and start creating your own books. That is for Amazon Kindle Publishing. Next, we are going to be looking at e-commerce. Well, if you have been in if you have been around since the COVID-19 issue, you see that a lot of people are getting used to staying at home, other stuffs they need online, and those things will be brought to their doorstep. So you can take advantage of that opportunity to start making money. So if you have capital, maybe between 50 to 100K, you can start e-commerce. You either you buy products and sell them to other people that will need them. Once they order online, you ship the product to them and you make your own gain. You can start by importing those products. If you have enough money, you can start by importing those products from outside, maybe from China or from USA or from any other place where you can find the products, hot products that people need. And once you get those products, you can resell them to other people who need them at a higher price and make your profit. And then even if you don't have money to start e-commerce business, you can start with what we call pre-ordering. You go online, search for hot products that people would like to buy, and advertise those products, like post them on your status, your Facebook feed, your story, your reels, and the rest of them, and tag the price. If people are interested in that product, you can take their money and tell them that this will take time to arrive. If you get money from enough number of people, maybe 2 or 3 persons, then you can order those products for them and then take your own profits and ship their products to them. So that is for e-commerce. And the next way of making money online is creating a YouTube channel. So I know you're watching this video already on YouTube, and this is not the only video you've watched today or you will watch today. You will still watch and watch and watch. And I'm sure that as you keep watching videos on YouTube, from time to time, you see adverts being displayed on those YouTube channels. So for channels that are monetized, those adverts that you are shown, they the owners of those channels are being paid for those adverts. And then again, even if you've not you've not qualified for monetization, you've not gotten 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can still make money with your YouTube channel using affiliate marketing. You remember we talked about affiliate marketing earlier. So you can use your YouTube channel to recommend other people's product, and once people buy, you get your own commission. Now, the next way of making money online without investing so much is through freelancing. If you have any skill at all, copywriting, graphics design, voice, you have a beautiful voice and you can do voiceover, or you can manage someone's social media account, any skill you have that people pay you offline for, you can take those skills online and then allow get clients, multiple clients from all over the world, from anywhere around the world, and they will pay you for your skills. Now, if you want to know the type of skills that people are getting paid for, you can go to freelance website like Fiverr or Upwork, and then see the type of gigs, the type of projects people post there, the type of work people are advertising there, and see if you have those skills. Even if you don't have those skills, you can learn those skills and then start your freelancing journey. People will pay you from all over the world and you render those services you know how to render best, and you make your money. So that is for freelancing. The next way you can make money online is through what we call consulting. And when we talk about consulting, people understand it from the traditional perspective, where you have to uh, get an office, get some certificates, sit down, people come in, you talk with them, and they pay you. Well, it's a little bit related, but not exactly the same. And unlike the traditional method, you don't have to go to school to get a certificate to consult. You see, in the online world, people are willing to pay you to help them solve a problem. They're not looking for your certificate, they're looking for what you can offer. So if there's anything you found difficult doing at the initial stage, something that was very difficult for you to do, and finally you figured out a way to do that, a lot of people are waiting to pay you to teach them, to shortcut the process for them, so they don't have to go through the pain and the stress you went through to achieve that thing. They will just follow the steps you followed. They will just learn from you and be able to achieve those things faster and with less money. So if you have experience, maybe you've managed an online business before, or in fact, whether offline or online, if there's something you've you know how to do very well, and you've been helping people, you've been giving people advice on that, you can start a consulting business, and people will pay you for your advice. So that's for consulting, and that is the last thing we're going to be talking about today. The other ways of making money online, but these are some of the easiest to start, and they will require the least amount of money, and then the payout is also huge. It's not like you're going to make money overnight, but if you do it properly, then you can also make a lot of money without doing as much work as you do when you follow other methods of making money online. So that is it for today. 7 hot businesses you can start without so making a lot of investment upfront, with little or no capital. So guys, you've gotten these business ideas. Don't just sit down and keep watching videos. Go pick any one of these businesses and start taking action immediately. I'll see you in the next video.